everyone! Welcome back to SisterCodes. My name is Kaylee, and I'm really excited to share with you today a special unboxing video. I haven't done one of these yet. I haven't done one of these yet. I know Ashley recently made one on unboxing her Switch, which is really awesome. You should definitely check that out. I'll link it up here. And yeah, I recently started a new job, and as part of that new job, I got access to pick out a bunch of new tools to help me with my workstation. So in addition to updating my workstation, which I'm going to share that video with you because now that I have a whole new work laptop, I got a new monitor, I've got some additional things that I'll be showing you today, I needed to kind of rework my desk. So in addition to that video, which will be coming soon, I wanted to just share me unboxing some of the really fun new toys that I have because they're in their really nice, like, shrink wrapped, brand new from Apple packaging, which I don't know about you, but I love that. It just makes me so happy to have like really brand new toys to open. It's kind of like Christmas. So I wanted to unbox these, let you all know my thoughts, and then kind of why I also made these choices. So yeah, let's jump into it. I'm really excited to open up. I'll just walk you really quickly through what I'll be opening up today and then kind of hop right into it. So first up is the Magic Keyboard. I have an older model of this for my personal laptop, but one of the things that I learned pretty quickly was that the Bluetooth on this, the device has a really limited Bluetooth menu, so you'd have to connect to it from the laptop, but it kept swapping, it kept like connecting to the wrong laptop, either my personal one or my work one, which got really annoying, so I just had to end up forgetting it altogether on one device and then have to turn Bluetooth off or on at the beginning or the end of the day, and it got really frustrating, especially when I forgot to do it. So I'm excited to have a dedicated keyboard for my work laptop. So very excited about this. I also chose the Magic Mouse, which I've never actually used. Well, so I've tried them out. I've never owned a Magic Mouse before. I have a trackpad that I've been using for the last year and a half during COVID. And it's worked pretty well, but it definitely gets frustrating, especially when you're doing anything in a design sort of space. So when you're like drawing shapes or moving things around, a mouse is really nice to have. That's more for things like Figma, which I used more in my previous job than right now, but definitely still has its uses. The other thing, this is really specific, but I don't love it when you use just a mouse and then you lose all the trackpad features, like swiping out or a couple of other different shortcuts. I've gotten really used to having the trackpad, so this is kind of the best combo of both, where you can have the top, which is sensitive to those kinds of shortcuts that are specific to a trackpad, but then you also get the convenience of using it like a mouse. So I'm really excited to have this for work. I think it's just going to help me be a lot more efficient and not have to spend as much time kind of clicking around or especially dragging things between two, like if I'm going to use my laptop as a separate display, dragging things between is kind of annoying on a trackpad, so very excited for this. So this is the first time I've ever owned a Magic Mouse, so I'm pumped about that. Lastly, but this is really honestly the motivation for filming this video today, is because I want to open these and use them. These are the new Apple Airpods Pro. With the wireless charging case. So I have never owned a pair of AirPods or anything like that. I have a separate pair of Bluetooth headphones, but like I mentioned for the Bluetooth Magic Mouse or Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, it does keep switching between my personal and my work computer, which has gotten super annoying, especially when I want to join a call last minute and my headphones are saying they're connected, but then I'm not hearing the audio or the audio through them. It's because it's connected to the wrong computer. So I'm really excited that I have a dedicated pair of headphones that can be specifically for my work setup and that I won't have to worry about switching back and forth between my personal device and my work device. So yeah, I'm really excited to have these. Oh, one more thing that I wanted to note was I have noticed that the sound quality on non-Apple devices with the newest generation of the MacBook Pros, the one I received for work is a 2020, it's just not quite as good. It's a little bit glitchy, and I don't know why that is, but I don't notice the problem on my personal MacBook, which is from 2014. I do notice it with my newest work laptop. But I tried Ashley's Airpod Pros, and I didn't notice that, so I'm really hoping that this solves it, because it's like it just drops a little bit of sound. It's a very strange, I don't know, maybe it's specific to my headphones, but I'm very excited to be using a dedicated Apple Bluetooth headphone with the MacBook Pro. I think this is just going to be a lot sleeker setup, and it's going to be really nice and convenient to have everything that's kind of all, you know, in the same suite of products. So yeah, just wanted to walk you through what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Woohoo! So I actually own the older model of this keyboard, and one of the upgrades that I love about this is it's fully rechargeable. You don't need any kind of double A's or anything like that. Instead, it comes with its own charging cable that you simply plug into the top of the keyboard. The only downside to this is the charging cable it comes with is not compatible with the newer line of MacBooks because it's using the wrong USB. It's not using a USB-C, meaning that straight out of the box, you are going to have to plug this into something else and not one of your newer MacBooks to charge. Similarly, the Magic Mouse also comes with its own charging cable, is fully rechargeable, no batteries required, but same as the keyboard, it comes with the wrong USB cord, so you are going to have to plug it into something else to charge it. It also has the charging port located on the underside of the mouse, meaning you'll never be able to use it while it's charging, which I definitely find to be super inconvenient. These AirPod Pros are fantastic. I've only been using them for a few days, and I'm honestly just really floored by how comfortable they are and how flawless the noise canceling capability is. A lot of times I find that noise canceling headphones create a weird suction effect or can irritate your ears, but these have the exact opposite of it. I also love that they have like a transparency feature where you can still hear yourself talk, which is one of the reasons I find noise canceling headphones to be super distracting. These also come in a wireless charging case, which means that the earbuds can charge while they're stored in the case without needing to be plugged in, which is great. This one does come with a charging cord that is USB-C compatible, and I love that it comes with interchangeable earbud tips so that you can swap them out if they don't fit your ears properly. Thank you all so much for watching today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. We come out with new videos almost every week. We've been on a different cadence lately, but Ashley and I have a lot of really exciting content that we are planning and that we're super excited to show you all. So please subscribe to our channel, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I hope you, liked seeing me open all these products, and then coming soon, I am going to film an updated desk setup. Since I mentioned I'm going to be incorporating not just this, but some other new fun toys into my work from home setup. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.